Hey guys, it's me, Caleb, with Caleb's Response Vacuums, and well, here's my Hoover Convertible Deluxe. This is the day after I cleaned it up. As you can see, here's the cord. And I just was gonna plug this in and try to see if the motor sounds any different now after I cleaned up that caked up inches and inches of dust. Talked to Stars 1976 about that. He said he didn't know that it was caked up with dust and shit like that. So, okay, I understand. A little bit louder. It's definitely showing signs of its age when you run it. I'm thinking the motor's gonna need fixed up one of these days, because I can see the light on the front flicker a little bit and stuff, so maybe the bulb's going. I didn't think about that. But I need a new vinyl bag and headlight. And I might just take the motor out of this one and put it in there, and put that motor in here for now. So that's about it for that, guys. More videos to come. Just stay tuned. I was actually watching my own video on my Hoovers, and it made me think about that. So thanks for watching.